A life-saving resource launches this weekend. The 988 Suicide and Crisis Lifeline just started here in Oregon and Washington, and it expands nationwide starting tonight. So we want to know how this lifeline is expanding access to care and resources.
And now let's get to our Brandon Thompson here in studio with us now. And Brandon, one of the call centers is actually right here in Portland. That's huge.
Yeah, Lines for Life, that is. They are here in the Rose City, and they've been crucial pushing the federal government to implement this line. The free 988 line also expands the suicide prevention lifeline. 988 will help anyone with any sort of mental health challenge.
988, three numbers with a big impact.
We're leaning into the notion that it's okay to have a bad day. It's okay to struggle and need help for it.
The help is a free phone call or text away. The 988 Lifeline is expanding, still helping people with suicide prevention, and now to anyone having any kind of mental health struggle.
And then really creating that system where starting from a phone call, you're then connected to another level of service and then connected to another level of service. And then you have follow-up within your community to prevent a future crisis.
The call takers are there every day and every night to find help or just listen.
They're trained to really understand the situation and the state of mind that the individual or the family is in and why they're seeking help.
Already tens of thousands of calls to the Lifeline are reported in Oregon every year. The new easier number is expected to double the number of calls to the Lifeline, Dwight Holton says. He's added call takers to his team and says 95% of the calls to Lines for Life have been resolved with just one call taker by providing a path to hope.
We don't think about hope as kind of a greeting card slogan. For us, hope is an evidence-based strategy. It's a way of building a path for someone to find meaning and purpose and connection with people.
A reminder that 988, that lifeline, is live right now. So anyone who needs help or knows someone who does, they could call or text 988 and immediately be connected to someone who could help, guys.
All right, Brandon, thank you. Hopefully it does save lives. Thank you.